Hey guys, so today's video is going to be my March Boxycharm premium unboxing. I'm so excited for this box because it's all full of Fenty beauty and I'm so excited to see what exactly is in here. I mean, I kind of have an idea because I've seen like the spoilers, like I just can't help it, okay? But anyway, before I get into this video, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload a new video. Join my fam, you know you want to. And yeah, let's get into this video. Alright, so the Boxycharm premium box is like actually super huge. Like, I was not expecting it to be this huge. That's what she said. So yeah, it's all full of Fenty. Like, even the packaging has Fenty. I'm really excited. Fenty's a brand that really does intrigue me. I own a lot of Fenty. Like, honestly, my favorite loose setting powder is from Fenty. Like, I love Fenty as a brand. So I'm really excited to see what exactly is in here. I know that there is something in here that I'm going to be giving away because I don't have oily skin. I'm going to be doing a giveaway at the end of every single month, pretty much just giving away things that I don't like, that I could get in subscription boxes or just like extra PR that I get. And I'm just gonna do like a monthly giveaway with all of my extra things. So this is gonna go in the giveaway. This is the Fenty Beauty Invisimatte blotting paper. I don't have oily skin, so I will never have a need for this, but this is just literally blotting paper. And this is worth $16, just so you guys know, but I'm not gonna be using this today because literally I don't have a need for it. It's gonna be going in a giveaway. I need to find my giveaway box. I think it's over there somewhere. And yeah, so that's that. Next we have the palette, which I'm super excited about. This palette honestly never really intrigued me that much. When I saw it, I was like, oh, it's cute, but the fact that I haven't tried Fenty Beauty eyeshadows really like, I really need to try it. I'm so excited. Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette is $29, which is actually not bad for an eyeshadow palette, a high-end eyeshadow palette in my opinion. I think that that's a really good price. So let's go ahead and open it. The packaging is so pretty. Like, it's like really hard, I guess plastic, I would say. I like the layout of this. It's kind of hard to open though. There you go. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch every single shade so you guys can kind of see exactly what each shade looks like. Swatch. I'm excited to test out the formula. And yeah, let's do this. Okay, so I definitely had some issues swatching some of the mattes, so I'm interested to see how they perform on the eyes because it was a little weird. I don't know. But I definitely want to use obviously the shimmer shades. The shimmer shades are so pretty and buttery and smooth, but I definitely want to use the blue shimmer shade. So I'm definitely gonna go in with that one at some point. But I'm gonna start off with this like peachy shade right here, and that's gonna be my transition shade. Wow, there's a lot of fallout with that. Let's see. This is like not showing up at all. It has a lot of fallout, but there's not a lot of pigment like actually transferring to my eye, so it's really interesting. Okay, now I'm gonna take this blue shade and put it all over my lid before I put anything else in my crease. I'm not sure exactly what else I'm gonna do in my crease, but I'm gonna spray my brush first to get the most payoff, although the shimmer shades are, to me, already much more pigmented. When I swatched them, they were just like extremely pigmented. This right here is like my favorite color in the world, so please don't disappoint me. Okay, so far so good. I definitely need to add something in the outer corner and the crease, like a darker shade. I definitely wasn't gonna leave it at this anyway, but like it looks like completely different color stories, so I need to make them mesh together a little bit better because it looks a little weird, but I love this shade so much. All right, so now I'm gonna deepen the outer corner and the crease with the gray shade right here. Honestly, I don't think this is my favorite eyeshadow formula, that's for sure, but I mean, the look is turning out nice. The mattes are not blending so well together. Like, I'm having a hard time blending these two together without it making it look like there's no more pigment. Kind of not a fan of this right now. I like the shimmers a lot, just the mattes are not my favorite. All right, I'm gonna take this shade, this darker teal shade for the lower lash line. All right, and for the inner corner, I'm gonna take this white shade right here, which is gorgeous. Ooh, that is gorgeous. All right, so that's it for the eyes. And yeah, I mean, I would definitely want to use the eyeshadow palette a lot more and just like see if the other shades work a little bit better, but maybe I used the wrong two shades together in the crease and that's why they're not blending very well. But I mean, I really like the teal shade on the lid. Definitely the shimmer shades are a lot more creamy and buttery and smooth, but I do want to create like a look with this really smoky purple at some point, and maybe put the pink in the inner corner. This pink shimmer is gorgeous. I give this like a 5 out of 10, to be honest. Like, it's very mediocre. I have other shades like this in my collection that have a bit of a better formula, but I am gonna go ahead and keep it and just play with it a little bit more, and then maybe I'll give it to one of my nieces or something, because it's just not an eyeshadow palette I see myself using a whole lot. All right, next up we have a matchsticks in the shade Blonde. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it and just see, but Blonde looks like a very, very deep gold shade, which I know that that's the highlighter that we get as well, and it's just not a shade that I see myself using a whole lot of, especially because I am so fair and this is like really gonna be too dark for me. So I think I might put this in a giveaway as well. Yeah, I'm gonna put this in a giveaway for sure. I'm gonna put that with the what's it called, the blotting paper. And then yeah, the highlighter is also in the shade Trophy Wife, which honestly I already have, like, I have the Jeffree Star 24 karat highlighter palette, and it has like a gold like this, and I hardly ever use it because it's just too dark for my skin tone. This is gonna be very, very similar. It is just so deep for my skin tone. Like, look at that. Like, I could use it as an eyeshadow, but like, I really would rather give this to somebody who would get more use out of it as a highlighter. Maybe somebody who doesn't have an extensive makeup collection like I do. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the giveaway as well. I feel like I don't want to waste makeup anymore. I want to use all the makeup that I have, and I just don't see myself using this highlighter all that much. By the way, just so you know, the matchsticks is $25, which is insane. I actually own 3 of the matchsticks, and they actually fit my skin tone. I own the concealer type one, and a contour shade and a highlighter shade. I hardly ever use them. It's not my favorite formula in the world, but hopefully somebody will actually get use out of the matchsticks as well. And the Freestyle highlighter is $36. That's a $36 highlighter. That's insane. I already own Hustler Baby, and it's like the duo, and honestly I hit pan on it because I love it so much, and I use it a whole lot. You know what, I'm gonna go ahead and use it as my highlight today. Let me go find it. So this is the duo, and this side is Hustler Baby, this side is Mean Money. I'm gonna use Hustler Baby today because I want to go big or go home, right? And these actually match my skin tone, and it's a really great formula, so I'm sure Trophy Wife is just as amazing. And yeah, I want to give it to somebody who's actually going to use it, and not somebody who's going to store it and never use it. I mean, in the 24 karat highlighter palette from Jeffree Star, there's that gold shade, but there's other shades that actually match my skin tone that I actually use. So look at how gorgeous that is though. The formula is great. It's super buttery, super smooth, super blinding. We also have the Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick in the shade Candy Venom. Oh my gosh. So this is a bright lip for this eye, but it's okay. I'm excited to try this out. I actually did own one of these, but it was like a trial size that I'm pretty sure I got from Sephora, so it was like this big, and it was like a deep wine shade. It was beautiful. I loved it. I have it somewhere, but yeah, so this is it. It's super pretty. It is a bright pink, and I'm gonna swatch it first. Oh my god, look at how pretty that is. That is gorgeous. I'm excited. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. This is perfect for spring and summer. Like, I am so excited. This is stunning, and it feels super comfortable on the lips. It is, I would say, a satin finish. I don't think it's a matte. It says Mademoiselle, and it should be all moods, all skin tones, all day. A pocket perfect, wow, that is a tongue twister, lipstick with a long wearing petal soft matte finish. So I definitely think it's more of a satin. It definitely doesn't dry down, at least not yet. I don't know. The last thing in this box is the Gloss Bomb in the shade Diamond Milk. I've been wanting this so bad. I have the Gloss Bomb, the first one she came out with. I don't remember the name of it right now, but I use it so much. I use it like almost every single day. I love it. It's my go-to gloss, and it matches everything, and it's nude. But look, this one's white. It's like white. By the way, the lipstick was $18. I don't know if I said that. This is $19. Ooh, I'm so excited. I am gonna put it on over this just to see what it looks like. It's probably gonna stain the wand, and I probably shouldn't do that, but it's okay. Let's just do it anyway. I'm gonna swatch it. Oh, it has like glitter in it, but it's like sheer. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. The gloss formula is amazing. It is like not too sticky, but it's just the right amount of sticky. And now look at what I did to the wand. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe it on a makeup wipe, and it's good as new. See? Honestly, I think I like the lipstick more without the gloss, but it's okay. It's still really nice and I like it. I kind of like this final look, to be honest. Let me just put some setting spray. So the value of this box was $143. I feel like that's a little lower than I've had in my other premium boxes. Only my second premium box. My card expired, so I couldn't get premium last month, which made me so sad, but I'm glad I was able to get off the wait list for this month. It honestly wasn't entirely worth it for me because I really am only keeping 3 products. I don't know that I would pair this lip with this look, but you know. But yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you got in your premium box. Did we get the same shades? Did you get just like what you get? Like, let me know. And yeah, I really hope you'll consider subscribing before you leave and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.